Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so please like the video if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, looking like it is making its way up to the top of that range that we did define and have been trading inside of for a long time now. You can see basically just how long we have been trading inside of this range. It's essentially been an extremely long time, probably over the past 6 or 7 months, really, ever since we came down. We made that low in June, and then since then we have had, the high and the low of the range where we have been trading inside of this false breakout to the upside. We come back inside the range, retest the low and the high, the low again, and now looking like we are breaking out of some key resistances yet again for Bitcoin and getting back above our EMAs, which is, super bullish to see as well. You can see two clean breakouts of resistance here, as we said, over the past few weeks. Cleanly broken out of this resistance trend line for one of those bear market trend lines. We've got back above both of our EMAs. We come up, we consolidate, we chop sideways, we back test the EMAs as support, and then you can see here we've come up, we've made a new swing high on this recent little move here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, and a little bit of an uptrend. Heading up to the target, as we said, at the top of the range, at the very least, in our opinion, at 22.5k. So currently trading at around $21,400. Which is nice to see for Bitcoin. And you can see here we have actually flipped our EMAs bullish as well, which is also very interesting to see, and something we do think is very critical if we are going to be starting to get back up, and potentially making some kind of bullish trend. Obviously for Bitcoin, a long way to go before we can confirm that we're back in a bear market, but from what you can tell here, we have just been chopping it sideways, consolidating. The sellers are getting pretty exhausted over the past few months. Over the past 6 or 7 months, we've been getting more and more confident that the bottom potentially could be in for Bitcoin, especially with these huge bullish divergences that we are seeing down at these lows here. And every time that we test this low down at around that 18, 17k level, it is pretty strong support, isn't it? Obviously, a lot of people are saying there is some, we are still only down to that swing low around 75%, sorry, from that swing high, all-time high down to that swing low in the bear market. And people are saying, typically we see around 80, maybe even 85% for Bitcoin. Obviously, if that was the case, we would see ourselves coming down into this support level that people are looking for at around 13k, in and around this level here. That is a level that some super bearish people are looking for Bitcoin. But we think, considering how bad the macroeconomic situation is, and in general how much cryptocurrency is volatile and does tend to fall, Bitcoin's actually held its value better than most fiat currencies in terms of, against inflation and against other fiat currencies. Bitcoin's holding its value really well in the face of the current market uncertainty in the entire world and in the wider market. So interesting to see that it is, it's basically been chopping sideways in the face of everything that we have seen over the past, up over the past year, really, in terms of all the economic, problems that we have been seeing, supply chain shortages, obviously the war in Russia as well, and all the inflation we are seeing. It's pretty interesting to us that Bitcoin is doing so well. So very simply from the technicals, as we've been saying, we are targeting the top of the range here, coming up to that 22.5k level. We do need to see this level up here come and be retested at around 28k. That would be a very critical level in our opinion. If we could come up and make a higher high like this, and then a higher low, and then start that bearish trend, we could potentially be looking at signs of, a reversal of this bear market situation. And that would be, considered a double bottom in that case. Until then, we are basically just trading inside this range. And our targets for now are, the top of the range at 22.5k. If we roll over, we're probably going to be coming back down to a level down here in around that 20k level, we'd say. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.